Hey everyone, Taylor here with Neville Motors, taking you for a walk around this 2018 red hot Chevy Silverado. This here is a crew cab LT, really a nicely equipped truck. Does have running boards on it. This is a Z71 package with a Lear topper on it. Also has the third brake light up top. Really just a nicely optioned truck. Of course, the cap here does lock. Bed liner is in the truck as well. Rear view camera, parking sensors in the rear. As you look down the truck, you'll notice no dings or dents. All four rims are in phenomenal shape, and the Goodyear Wrangler tires are in great shape as well. This is a certified truck, meaning that you do get 12,000 miles of extra bumper-to-bumper coverage and a 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, giving you some more peace of mind. Automatic window controls, 10-way power seat with lumbar support. Really a nicely equipped truck. You'll notice over here then, you do have your four-wheel drive controls as well as automatic headlights and fog lights. 19,500 miles are on this vehicle. Just an all-around well-kept local trade. Does have a nice touchscreen radio with projection, meaning that you're actually able to pair your phone right to the screen, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto will pop right up for you, giving you all those great features. Below that, you do have dual zone climate control for both sides. Power pedals, traction control off, bed lighting, your parking sensors, and hill descent control. USB ports are below that, as well as 2 cigarette outlets and a 110 plug next to that. Heated seats as well. Nice armrests on here with the wireless charging built in. No rips or tears in the seat. As we look in the back, notice same thing, no rips, tears. This vehicle has no funky smells. Seats fold up nice and flat for you. Just an all-around, really nice looking used vehicle. If you or someone you know is interested in this 2018 Chevy Silverado, please reach out at NevilleMotorsGM.com or give us a call at 715-256-2900. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks.